Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ZTE V40s to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and clicking on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on ZTE. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now choose Not Now in this pop-up and tap on OK, or just set up OK right away if you want to receive latest newsletters and updates. Then choose Receive over here on your Android and Send at the bottom left corner of ZTE. Finally, tap on all of those type of dots and hit Send. This way you'll select all of those files from all of those categories and then send them. It will take so much time though to transfer all of mine now that I will only go with this one. Choose Send and tap on Got It. Now on your Android, tap on the best option for you and just close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, choosing Allow in the pop-up and pointing our camera at the code. Or we can just input this key over here instead and tap on Receive. Either way, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!